In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find credit notes on Xero. Whether you're running a small business or managing the finances of a larger company, understanding how to navigate through Xero to locate your credit notes is crucial for maintaining accurate records and ensuring your accounting is up to date. First things first, let's get logged into your Xero account. Begin by navigating to the Xero homepage. Here you'll notice a login option located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will direct you to the login screen. Once you've arrived at the login screen, it's time to input your credentials. Type in the email and password associated with your Xero account. Make sure you enter these details accurately to avoid any login issues. If you've forgotten your password, there's usually a handy forgot password link you can use to reset it. After entering your email and password, go ahead and click on the Login button to access your Xero dashboard. This is where you'll find a comprehensive view of your business's financial status at a glance. However, today we're focused on locating credit notes. Now, look for the Business tab in the navigation menu. It's your gateway to various business-related sections, including invoices, bills, expenses, and more. Click on Business to reveal a drop-down menu. In the drop-down menu that appears, you'll see an option labeled Invoices. Click on it. This action will take you to a section where all your invoices, including those you've issued and received, are neatly organized. Here you can see summaries, status updates, and other relevant details about each invoice. But here's where the need for keen observation comes into play. You'll notice a column labeled Status amidst other information about the invoices. The status column is quite crucial because it displays the current state of each invoice, including whether it's been paid, is due, or notably whether it's a credit note. To narrow down your search to only include credit notes, you'll want to pay special attention to the status column. Look for any entries that are marked as a credit note. These are what you're interested in. Once you've identified an invoice that has a credit note attached to it, it's time to delve deeper. Click on the status of that specific invoice. It's a subtle yet crucial step, as it brings you closer to viewing the details of your credit note. Upon clicking the status, you will be redirected to a more detailed page that contains all the information about that particular invoice, including its credit note. Here's a pro tip. Xero's interface is designed to present information cleanly and intuitively, so navigating through these details should be straightforward. The final step in our process today involves clicking on the Preview option. This is where you get to view the credit note in all its glory. Previewing the credit note allows you to review the details, ensuring everything is accurate and matches your records. Should there be discrepancies, or if you need to make adjustments, knowing how to find these credit notes is your first step towards rectification. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to locate credit notes in Xero. Remember, keeping track of credit notes is essential for accurate financial reporting and reconciliation. It ensures you have a clear picture of your business's financial health, especially in terms of receivables and payables. I hope this video has been helpful. Navigating Xero and making the most of its features can significantly streamline your accounting processes, and mastering these little tricks and tips can save you a lot of time and effort in the long run. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more insightful content designed to help you manage your business finances effectively. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.